Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll solve this radical problem. So how we'll solve this radical problem? Here we have two square root. If you look at in the first expression, here it is 1 square root and another square root is here. It is 2 square root. Same way we have been another square root here and here. So for solving this expression, we'll let this as m. So we have m and the value of m will be greater than 0 because here it is 4 plus and here it is 4 minus value and all the values will be greater than 0. Now for removing the square root, we'll square both sides. So the first expression, if we'll square this value, if we'll square the left hand side and right hand side. Now if you look at it is our a, we'll take this as a, means 4 plus square root 63 divided by 2 as a. So now the second expression, this expression, that is square root 4 minus this expression, square root 4 minus square root 63 divided by 2, will take this b. So it is a plus b and whole square. If you look at it is in the form of a plus b and its whole square, and the formula of it is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So therefore we'll write it as square root 4 plus square root 63 divided by 2 and its square, it is our a square. Now plus b square means this expression, it is square root 4 minus square root 63 divided by 2 and its whole square. Now plus 2ab means 2 times square root 4 plus square root 63 divided by 2 multiplied by square root 4 minus square root 63 divided by 2, and that is equal to m square. Now we'll simplify this expression. Here square root value and square value will be cancelled. Similarly here also square root and square value will be cancelled. Now if you look at here, we are left with 4 plus square root 63 divided by 2 plus 4, and here it is minus square root 63 divided by 2. So this negative value and positive value will be cancelled. So here we have 4 plus 4, 8. So it is 8, and here it is plus. So now for simplifying, these two expressions are in bracket, so we can take this as in one bracket. Look at here, it is in the form of square root a multiplied by square root b. So we can write it as square root a times b. So similarly we'll write this expression as square root 4 plus square root 63 divided by 2 multiplied by, so now we'll write this next expression, it is 4 minus square root 63 divided by 2. It is in the form of a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we can write it as square root. First we'll write this square root value, and it is a square minus b square. So we can write 4 square. 4 square means 16, and here it is negative b square. B square means square root 63 square is 63 and 2 square is 4. So the value of this term will be, if we'll calculate, it is 16 4 ja 64 minus 63 divided by 4. So it is 1 divided by 4. So we can write it as here 1 divided by 4 and its square root. So the value of this term will be 1 by 2. Hope you have understood this. Now we'll erase this. Now the value of this term we have calculated is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So now we'll erase this. So now we have 2 multiplied by, the value of this expression is 1 by 2. So it is multiplied by 1 by 2, and that is equal to m square. Now here 2 numerator and denominator will be cancelled. So it is 8 plus 1. That is 8 plus 1 is 9. That is equal to m square. Now from here the value of m will be plus minus square root 9. That is equal to plus minus 3. So the value of this expression is plus minus 3, and here the value of this expression is more than 0, means positive value. So the value of m here is 3. So the expression value of this term will be 3. This is our answer of this problem. So friends, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.